Hey guys, hope you're having an awesome day. It's Chima from 3D Connected Printing, and today I have a tutorial on how to make our less expensive version of the T-Challa necklace from the new Black Panther movie. Now as you know, the one in the movie has more teeth, but we have a simpler version of it as well. And if you would like to purchase this, it'll be in the link in the description below, where it'll take you to our Etsy website where you can go check it out. So hopefully you all enjoyed this video, and let's get started. Okay, so firstly we have the teeth. We only need 3. Then we have our pliers. We have a big one, we have a small one, and a sharp edged one, which will be used to like cut through the leather cords. And like speaking of what we're cutting, we are cutting the leather cords. We're using the leather cords, and we're going to be putting those through each tooth in order to make the necklace. And then we're also going to be cutting that, and when we cut that, we're going to also put the cord ends, and we're going to also need our necklace connectors to connect them to the end of the leather cords that we've cut, and these will help us build the necklace completely. So firstly, when assembling this necklace model, you want to measure the length of the cow-tied leather strings. Keeping it at 21 inches will be universal to everyone's neck size, so I use a ruler and measure, and then I cut. So as you can see, I'm cutting the string right now. This is just after measuring it, so I cut the string with the pliers, the sharp edged one, and then you take the string having been cut, and what you want to do is you want to push it like through the first hole on one of the teeth that you have. So you want to take one tooth, you want to push it through the first hole and then release it through the other hole on the tooth. Basically what you want to do is keep resistance on the tooth and the string so that it'll define a nice build. Later I do this for the other teeth, and then I open up the necklace connectors and the cord ends to complete the necklace as it is. Then I close the cord ends after putting it on each tooth, and that's the necklace right there. Hey guys, once again, thank you for watching our video on how to build our 3-tooth model T-Challa necklace. This will be on our Etsy website, as well as our 13-tooth model. They're both there. If you guys want to go check that out, it'll be in the link in the description below. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys later.